Morning arrives soft and serene. A golden glow brushes Yala's green. A father's embrace speaks of strength and protection. In the wild, a leopard mother's tender grooming whispers the same devotion. A mother's embrace is a sanctuary, a haven of love and safety. In nature's mirror, an elephant calf finds the same solace beneath its mother. Different worlds, yet the same bond, where love knows no boundaries and care is a universal language. In this episode of the Chronicles of Yala, Nurturing Bonds, you'll be taken into the heart of Yala's wilderness to witness the unbreakable bonds between mothers and their young. This is the pearl of Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. Deep in Sri Lanka's southern wilderness lies Yala National Park. The sun ascends over Yala, casting its golden glow across the wilderness. The ocean waves greet the day with quiet rhythm. But beyond the shoreline, hidden within the heart of the jungle, another world awakens. A world where survival is woven into every sunrise. As we take a quiet bend in the trail, we find ourselves face to face with one of Yala's most elusive residents, Selena, the female leopard. She was not alone. Her attention lay beyond us, across the road, where shadows danced in the underbrush. A mother's instinct, fierce and unyielding, held her gaze steady, her posture protective. Selena, a creature of purpose. She knows the way, knows the rhythm of this jungle. But her cub, left behind by the roadside, its attention captured by a world above. Her second cub clings to the tree's rough bark. In one bold leap, the cub lands. With a bound of joy, they're off. Leopard cubs are born blind and completely dependent on their mother for survival. For the first few weeks, Selena, like any leopard mother, hides them in dense bushes or rocky crevices to protect them from predators. She'll move them every few days to prevent her scent from attracting danger. Grass acts as a natural digestive aid. Leopard cubs, still learning what to eat and digest, may instinctively munch on grass to help with minor stomach upsets. Grass can help stimulate digestion or induce vomiting if they've eaten something that doesn't sit well, such as bones or fur from prey. Leopard cubs have softer, darker coats with rosette spots that help them blend seamlessly into their environment. These markings act as camouflage, making it easier to hide from predators. As they grow, their coats lighten and start to resemble the adult leopard's iconic pattern. Even from a young age, leopard cubs learn to stay motionless at the slightest sign of danger. This instinct is crucial for survival, helping them avoid detection by predators or even by potential prey. Their stillness is an instinctual strategy passed down through generations. Out of the thicket, she emerges, a silent guardian. Selina pauses, ears twitching, every muscle alert. From far off, the hum of a vehicle reaches her, faint but distinct, carried on the breeze. She knows this sound, the rhythm of tires on gravel, the steady approach of human curiosity. Leopards have highly sensitive hearing and can detect low-frequency sounds, such as an engine's hum, from impressive distances. In optimal conditions, a leopard can hear vehicle sounds from up to 1 to 2 kilometers away. This remarkable hearing ability enables leopards to stay aware of potential threats or disturbances, giving them ample time to move or hide if necessary. Whenever you find yourself in the presence of these majestic creatures, remember to honor their world. Keep still, hold your breath, and let the silence speak. Turn off the engine, quiet the noise, and allow yourself to become part of their world, one heartbeat at a time. Licking helps leopards remove dirt, parasites, and loose fur from their coats. It's essential for maintaining hygiene, especially after eating or moving through muddy terrain. Unlike many other big cats, leopard cubs stay with their mother for up to 2 years. During this period, they learn essential survival skills: stalking, hunting, climbing, and identifying safe and dangerous situations. Selina plays a critical role in teaching these life-saving lessons, balancing protection with the encouragement of independence. When a mother leopard licks her cubs, it strengthens their bond. Grooming is a comforting, nurturing act that reassures the cubs and reinforces their connection to her. Cubs also reciprocate by licking their mother, fostering affection and trust within the family. As one cub begins to nurse, it takes in more than just milk. This moment is vital, a lifeline that provides nourishment, warmth, and comfort, a mother's gift. In these early months, milk is life, helping them grow strong and resilient, laying the foundation for the powerful hunters they will become. It is the first of many gifts Selina will give them, setting them on a path to independence, one gentle moment at a time. Filming cubs in Yala has never been about joining the rush or getting stuck in traffic jams. Our film crew takes a different approach, deliberately steering clear of crowded spots where vehicles gather around a single leopard. Instead, we explore the quieter, lesser visited corners of the park. This method not only ensures a more peaceful environment for the wildlife, but also provides us with unique and intimate sightings that can't be experienced amidst the chaos. By traveling freely and respecting the animal's space, we capture authentic and serene moments that truly showcase the beauty of Yala. Amidst the sun-scorched plains and dense rugged forests of Yala National Park, there exists a world of hidden green, a sanctuary of life and moisture where the wilderness softens and breathes. These are Yala's swamps, seasonal wetlands that come alive with the arrival of the monsoon rains, pooling in shallow basins to form small, life-sustaining ecosystem. From the dense cover of a bush, nestled in the swamp's edge, a family of snipes appears. This is the greater painted snipe. Snipes have superb camouflage skills, blending seamlessly into their grassy and muddy habitats. Their brown, black and buff markings make it nearly impossible to spot them unless they move. Unlike in many bird species, it is the father, not the mother, who ensures his young are fed. These helpless chicks depend entirely on their father. Each tiny morsel he delivers is vital for their growth and survival. His devotion is tireless. With precision, he uses his long, sensitive bill to extract tiny invertebrates from the soil. Small insects and worms that make up her brood's first meal of the day. The little chicks, their soft, downy feathers blending seamlessly with the marsh's earthy tones, trail closely behind their father. Their slender legs appear strikingly long. They serve a vital purpose. Designed for wading through shallow waters and navigating marshy terrains, these legs are a testament to their adaptation for survival. The chicks instinctively huddle close to him, each one vying for his attention. One by one, he feeds them with gentle precision, ensuring that none are left hungry. While the role of caregiving often falls to the mother in the bird world, here it is the father who takes on this essential responsibility. His dedication is unwavering. Something stirs beneath the surface, shattering the calm. A crocodile master of stealth and ambush approaches. The father senses the threat. Without hesitation, he gathers his brood, urging them to follow as he guides them to safety. This swamp, seemingly tranquil, is a bustling stage where life unfolds. In this watery expanse, every bird plays a role, from the tiniest wader to the commanding presence of the stork. Together, they craft a story of resilience, harmony, and the unyielding spirit of nature. In the tranquil waters of a sprawling wetland, a pair of black-winged stilts make their presence known. These elegant birds, with their long scarlet legs and striking black and white plumage, are a picture of grace. Side by side, they wade delicately, their movements almost balletic as they navigate the shallows. A mother black-winged stilt has taken every precaution to protect her vulnerable chick. The tiny, downy creature, barely visible, is nestled near the safety of a dense bush. Here, under her careful watch, it remains hidden from the many dangers that lurk in the open. But the mother is not idle. Sensing potential threats, she springs into action as she spreads her wings, a striking display of defiance. A flock of opportunistic birds has ventured too close. With the intruders driven off, the mother black-winged stilt returns to her chick as she reassures her little one hidden in the shade of the bush. The mother lowers herself carefully, folding her long, elegant legs until she rests upon the soft ground. She lifts one wing, creating a shelter as delicate as it is secure. The chick eagerly scurries beneath, disappearing into the warmth of her feathers. This tender act, so simple yet so vital, reflects the universal struggle of life in the wild, the constant interplay of danger and devotion. It is here in the stillness of these wetlands that the profound connection between mother and chick is most evident. As dawn arrives, the jungle slowly wakes, casting a gentle glow across the land. And with this new light, we shift our gaze to another story, a different bond, powerful and enduring. A mother elephant and her calf emerge from the shadows. The calf clings close to her side, its small trunk reaching out to touch, to learn, to follow in the comforting path of its mother. While the mother takes her time grazing, focused and grounded, her calf has found a new adventure. For the little one, life is a playground, a world brimming with mysteries waiting to be discovered. The calf tests its strength against the bush, giving it a brave nudge, then retreats, only to return with more energy, bounding in joyous circles as if challenging the greenery to a playful duel. Each spin, Each playful leap is an expression of innocence, a celebration of the simple joys of youth. While its mother finds nourishment, the calf finds freedom, exploring with a pure, boundless spirit. Raising a calf requires tremendous energy from the mother. She often forgoes her own needs, putting her calf's safety and well-being first. During dry seasons, when food is scarce, she'll make longer journeys and even share her food to ensure her calf's survival. A mother elephant's memory is crucial for her calf's survival. She remembers migration routes, water sources and food locations, guiding her calf through these paths year after year. For the calf, this moment is a thrilling discovery, a chance to explore beyond the ordinary. It learns the scent of metal, the feel of the breeze carrying unfamiliar scents. This is the beginning of its education, a learning moment granted by a mother's silent permission. Behind the calf stands its mother, her eyes never leaving her young. But she is calm, confident, trusting. Her acceptance signals her own sense of safety, an acknowledgement that this encounter holds no danger for her curious calf. Elephants use touch to communicate affection, security, and guidance. In elephant herds, mothers raise their calves with the support of other females. These relatives help protect, teach, and nurture the young ones, giving calves a broader social education and added protection. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Yala's wild heart. Nurturing bonds is more than a story of mothers and their young. It's a call to protect the fragile connections that sustain life in the wild. Every action, no matter how small, can contribute to conservation. Let's work together to ensure these bonds endure, so the wilderness remains alive for future generations. Share their story, spread awareness, and be a part of the change. In a world where nature's most extraordinary tales unfold, ND cinematography brings you closer than ever to the heart of the wild. Subscribe to ND Cinematography on YouTube today. Embark on this adventure and let the story of the wild captivate your soul.